Hello family, I am staying at the Staybridge Suites located in downtown Wilmington, Delaware for one night in a king bedroom suite. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, straight away, right from the front door, you see this mirror. Beneath it, you will see some hooks so that you can put some items as you desire. It goes right into the kitchen area. Here's your microwave. Next to it, you will find some cups and glasses. Above, you will find some cabinets. Here is your counter space, the sink. Here's a coffee machine, your toaster. Underneath here is your dishwasher. In this cabinet here, you will find your cutlery and some pans and a pot down there as well. And then here you will find your wastebasket, and over here you will find your full-size fridge. Now going further, here is the bedroom area, and so here is your king-size bed. Right next to the king-size bed there are those lamps right there. You'll find your phone, a little bit of storage right here for you next to the bed, and right here also just further places where you could put some items. Here is some chest of drawers for you to use, and this is the couch. This is a great size couch. Right next to the couch you will find a lamp and additional storage if you want to put some items underneath here. Here's a table. Here's a little place you could place your feet on, a little futon area. And here is the TV right in front of the bed. Over to this side, you will find your desk and a chair and a wastebasket. In this little corner here is a half-size mirror. And this is the bedroom kitchen combination from this view. This little side table here, it is different from the one on the other side. I guess they just want to be different, and so this is a different side table than the one that's on the other side of the bed. And so this door is going into the bathroom, but first let's speak about this closet. So here in this closet, in this corner, you will find your ironing board. Here you will find your iron hangers to put up different items. And beneath you will find your safe. Here's a little basket up here. I'm sure it has some more linen inside of it. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. Now here's the bathroom. Only one sink. And so the toilet is in the corner. You'll find your towels here and a shower, not a shower tub combination for those individuals that like a shower tub combination. And it has a glass door. It does not have a shower curtain. It has a glass door. Here's another little shelf so you could place some items as well. Here's some towels here. And let's go into the shower itself. It has the body wash, your conditioner, and your shampoo. It's not a big shower, but I think it's a decent size. This is me coming out of the bathroom into the bedroom area. And I'm just going to give it a once over for you so you could kind of look and see what it looks like in its entirety. So what do you think about the room? I think it is a great size room. I wish I could only be here for more than one night. Two things to tell you about this hotel. One, it does have breakfast in the morning. And two, they do have parking for an added cost, $24 per night, and you have in and out privileges. It is not covered parking, so for those individuals that love to have a parking lot that's covered, it is not covered parking. Can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming and supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.